Greetings, Johnny Linoleum here. Long time no YouTube. Back in May, I hit 68 years of age. Much to my surprise, 68 hit back. Since then, I've been on all the rides at the Medical Test Amusement Park. But all is well, so let's get to it. I buy my own tools with my own money. I'm not sponsored in any way. Today we're going to take a look at the Power Torque 10 to 150 foot-pound torque wrench. Model number PTT0100. It's a half-inch drive. What caught my eye was it has a claimed 3% over and under. Most of the time on these type of click-style torque wrenches, it's 4 or higher, so I wanted to check that out. Right off the bat, I like the blue paint. Reminds me of the Blue Angels blue. The action on this is very smooth. I was surprised. It seemed better than any of the other click-style torque wrenches I've checked out. Like I said, half-inch drive, 10 to 150 foot-pounds. I paid $47 and change for it. Right off the bat, you get some instructions. Nothing fantastic. But without a doubt, this is the flimsiest case I've ever seen on a torque wrench. You got to be careful with it. The torque wrench itself, like I said, very nice, very smooth. It's been cycled 5 times, did some practice swings on it. So let's set it up and take a look. All right now I've got it set at 100 foot-pounds. Let's see how she does. $99.9. $100.7. $100.2. I'm very impressed with this. All right, let's see if we can set it up at 85. The torque nuts on the truck. Let's see. 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $86 even. $86.1. $85.2. Very nice. And finally, we'll set it up at 50. There we go. $49.7. $50.7. $50.4. This thing is very nice and very accurate. I'm surprised. I had no problems reaching 3%. Then on my testing, at 50, came in at 50.8, at 85, 86 even, and at 100, 101, all within 2%. I don't think you can go wrong with this. I am very surprised at how nice this torque wrench is. It's a keeper. It's only 18 inches long, so I don't know if I'd put this in the half-inch arsenal or not. I think I'd go with the 3/8 drive, put it in with them. But I'm very impressed with it. One last thing. I read a lot of tool reviews, Project Farm, Last Best Tool, Catus Maximus. Here's some of the other Power Torque tools that I have. I'm sorry. And I've never had a problem with them. I'm very pleased. If you go to Canis Maximus and search Power Torque, he has several very good reviews on it. Well, that's all I got. I'm glad to be back. See you soon. Bye-bye.